In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text truncation in Figma. Text truncation is a simple way to keep your designs tidy when you're working with long strings of text. Instead of letting a label or title spill out and break your layout, Figma can hide any overflow and display an ellipsis at the end to indicate there's more content. This is perfect for UI cards, list items, or table rows where you want to limit text to a specific number of lines without manually editing the copy. To set it up, start by selecting the text layer you want to control. In the right sidebar, under Typography, click the three-dot details icon to open the advanced text options. Find the Truncate text setting and toggle it on. Once truncation is enabled, you'll see a max lines option appear. Choose how many lines you want to allow before the ellipsis kicks in. Use 1 for a single line label or a higher number for multi-line blocks that still need a clean cutoff. From there, adjust the text box width or the width of its parent frame. When the text exceeds either the line count or the available space, Figma will automatically hide the overflow and show an ellipsis at the end. A couple of layout settings directly affect how well truncation works. Your text layer needs a predictable width so that Figma can measure overflow. Check the Layout section under Resizing. Fixed size is a reliable choice for standalone text layers because it prevents the box from expanding. If your text sits inside a container, Fill Container is another good option. The text will match the parent's width and truncate when it runs out of room. If the text is set to hug contents, it will simply grow with the content, and truncation won't engage, so switch away from hug when you want the ellipsis behavior. If you're using auto layout, make sure the child text layer is set to fill container so it respects the parent's width. Then enable truncation on that text layer. Adjust the parent frame to the size you want to design for, and you'll see the ellipsis appear as soon as the text can't fit. To see this in action with a single-line title, add a text layer with a long title, resize its bounding box narrower, turn on Truncate Text in the Advanced Text properties, and set max lines to 1. Now, whenever the title is too long for the box, Figma will display the ellipsis and keep your layout intact.